Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about phrasal_verb_ lesson. Explore and travel. 5 phrasal verbs for journeys. Master 5 essential English phrasal verbs to confidently talk about starting trips, exploring destinations, and managing travel logistics. Set off. Use set off when you want to say that you are starting a journey or a trip. It often implies a specific time or intention to leave. We plan to set off early in the morning to avoid traffic. Look around. Look around means to explore a place by walking through it and observing what is there. It's great for sightseeing or discovering a new area. When we arrived, we spent the afternoon looking around the historic old town. Drop off. To drop off someone or something means to take them to a place and leave them there. It is commonly used for giving someone a ride. Can you drop me off at the airport on your way to work? Pick up. To pick up someone or something means to collect them from a specific location. It's the opposite of dropping off. I need to pick up my luggage from the baggage claim area. Stop over. Stop over means to break a journey, especially a long one, in order to stay somewhere for a short time before continuing. It's common for layovers during flights. On our flight to Australia, we decided to stop over in Singapore for 2 days. Master these 5 phrasal verbs to describe every part of your travel, from starting your trip to exploring and making stops. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on